Hello, today I'm going to show you how to repair water damaged ceiling. First I'm going to take out these pieces, large pieces, and clean the damaged area. You can see I had a leak in the upstairs bathroom. One of the pipe bursted because water pressure is too high, and the leak has been fixed by the plumber, but now the damage of the drywall ceiling is still there. As you can see, the peeling that's happening around where the leak is happening. I had water dripping down around the light fixture all the way down to the sink in the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna have to repatch the ceiling, take out all the damaged area. I'm gonna use a scraper to scrape off all the damaged paint. Chip away all of the damaged paint around the light fixture. For the area that's on the edge, I'm going to use a scraping knife to cut away and make it more smooth and even. Cut away all the damaged chip paint so that we have a solid, smooth surface. Okay, the area is cleaned out pretty good. All the old paint, damaged paint has been scrubbed away. Now what I need to do is I need to fill in this crack with this material. It's called a one-time patch and prime, lightweight spackling. So I use this material called one-time patch and prime, lightweight spackling. So the reason using this material is there's no need for sanding or prime. It saves a ton of time and the cleanup is easy. It's paintable ready in 30 minutes. So you can see this material is powder, a little bit sticky. And it forms to any shape. So all you have to do is to just use a scraping tool and apply it. And I can see right there where the damage has happened, I patched everything up, sealed all the cracks, and we should be ready for painting in about 30 minutes. The material, one-time patch and prime, is already dry, and we can start painting. I'm gonna mix the paint very well, and then just dip my brush in it, let it run off. As you can see, this is a terrible mistake. The paint color is completely off. And the reason is I provided these paint samples to Homedepot for them to match the paint color. And these paint samples, which are original on the wall, they have been water damaged. So the color is different because it's slightly darkened because of water damage. And I use these paint samples for Homedepot to mix it. And this is a big mistake because obviously you can see the the color is completely mismatched. I had to run back to Home Depot and get a new paint, and hopefully this will be a better match. Okay, now try again with a new paint. Let's try on the sample, then make sure this is the right color. Okay, this seems to be the right match. Let's try that again. Okay, this is much better. As you can see, the second layer of paint is much more close match with the surrounding. Now I simply just paint over the old. When you dry, the color will be more similar to the surrounding. Here's the final result. As you can see, the paint is still wet, and that is the reason the color is slightly off, slightly darkened, because the paint is slightly wet. And once it's dry, it should look exactly the same as the surrounding area. So this is the final result, and thank you for watching.